Are you tired of cramped apartments and skyrocketing rent? Say hello to an incredible housing upgrade. Introducing the modern double-wing expandable prefab tiny house, also known as the number 700. This portable, stylish villa opens up into a spacious 3-bedroom home with a full kitchen, living room, and real bathroom. Let's dive into what makes this portable home a game changer. First, the design is striking and super functional. With a robust steel frame and insulated sandwich panels, it's built for efficiency. The unique double-wing expansion system allows extra living space with no complicated setup. Inside, you'll discover a generous 75 square meters of living area. It includes 3 comfortable bedrooms, a cozy living room, and a modern L-shaped kitchen complete with pre-installed cabinets. Plus, the wet-dry bathroom setup makes it feel just like a real home. What's more, you won't be waiting for months on end. This home can be ready to go in just 6 to 8 weeks. Say goodbye to the stress of high rents and construction delays. It ships free from Home Seller USA, flexibly fitting your needs. Weather, no problem. This home withstands extreme conditions, from heavy snow to strong winds, ensuring your comfort all year round. It's insulated, waterproof, and wind-tested to handle up to 70 miles per hour gusts. Imagine using this villa as a guest house, a rental unit for passive income, or even a cozy retirement space. You can have it as a stylish full-time home without accumulating debt. Here's what's included. Dimensions: 11,800 mm by 6,300 mm weight, 5,000 kg 75 mm insulated wall panels, US standard electrical distribution, pre-installed kitchen and bathroom fixtures, high-quality aluminum windows. Everything arrives semi-furnished and ready for setup. If you want a modern, expandable, and practical living space, this tiny villa is the answer. Hit the link in the description to explore all available layout options. With free shipping and a quick delivery time, this is one smart way to elevate your living situation. Don't forget to drop your questions in the comments. If you want to see a full expansion demo or a tour of each bedroom, let me know below. Subscribe for more reviews on modern homes.